Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel where I do tutorial videos. Yeah, I do tutorial videos like how to edit with iMovie, how to edit with KineMaster, how to upload your thumbnail, how to make your thumbnail, and lots more. So you should probably check them out. I'm going to be leaving some up here and I'm going to be leaving the rest down in the description box below. So you should go down and check them out if you're interested. And also I do entertaining videos like spicy noodles challenge and my first vlog. It was failed and it was so hilarious and it was so hilarious, so you should probably go on there and check them out. Yeah, so now for this very video, the video is about how to make and edit your YouTube banner. Yeah, YouTube banner is very good. It's for beautification and also it tells people what your channel is about from the beginning. So I believe it should have at least I believe it should contain at least the name of your channel. For mine, the name of my channel is also Ella, which is my name and my surname. So yeah, my channel is going to contain that. So without further ado, let's just rush right into the video. Please do not forget to subscribe. Yeah, subscribe down below because we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers and I feel like we've been on this road for a very long time. So please get me to 1,000 subscribers so I could finally monetize, because that is the aim, to make some cash. So yeah, please hit the subscribe button and make sure you give us a big thumbs up if you like this video, and make sure you go right down and check the rest of my videos. So without further ado, let us just rush right into this. Okay guys, so you're going to head on to phonto, and I'm just going to open up phonto. You're going to click on this camera sign and then you go to plain images and you hit on this, you hit on custom and change it to 25601440, which is the standard ratio for YouTube banner. So I'm going to click on color because I want to change the color to white. I'm going to click on apply and then this, I'm going to click on use. I'm going to click on this 3 dash and I'm going to click on add image. Then I'm just going to scroll down to an image I want to use, which is this one. Basically it's kind of like my image. So I'm just going to click this. I'm going to click on done. So now I'm just going to put it right here. I'm going to put it right here. Then I'm going to write my name, Onsu Ella. So Onsu Ella. And I'm just going to place it. Oh yeah, it's not showing. That's because it is white. So I'm going to first click on style and change it to black. Yeah, so now if I click it here, it will show. By the way, I'm using the drippy market font. So that's my favorite font and I just use it because it's like my brand font. I use it for all my thumbnails, all my banners and everything. It's just like my font. So yeah, I suggest you have a particular font for your thumbnail and banner and everything, because it's just going to give your channel this unique look. Like if they just look at your channel, they're just going to be able to detect that okay, this is you. So now I'm going to increase this size because it is my name and I want people to see this one. And also I'm going to type tutorial videos. Now I'm going to hit on background and down text and I'm going to leave it white. I'm going to reduce this because I need it really small. And as you can see, I'm putting everything in the middle because that's just the only part that is going to show, just the middle. So you have to place it properly. And then I'm going to click on a right hand style again and I'm going to add a background to it. So this is what I want my YouTube banner to look like. So now I'm just going to hit on save, and this is what it looks so like. Guys, that is it for this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and I really hope you learned how to edit and make really cute YouTube banner. So yeah, I also do hair videos, hair tutorial videos, like how to style your hair in puff, 6 different natural hairstyles, how to lay your fussy edges, and lots more. So you should rush right down to the rest of my content and check them out.